Hey y'all, what's going on? I have before you an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrapped level 2 canvas that I have painted ahead of time with Violet, Master's Touch Violet. It's this one. So I painted it ahead of time because it's a transparent color and I wanted to make sure that it covers the sides. So the last painting that I did, here it is. Came out very, very nice. Lots of metallic, shimmery type effect in there. This one is for sale. If anyone's interested, you can email me, or you can, I don't know, message me here. Anyway, this one came out gorgeous, beautiful. Listening to some music tonight. I'm excited. I want to paint. I want to pour something sort of like the last one that I did with the blue and orange, except tonight I'm going to use Violet, Vermillion, light green permanent, 24 karat gold, pearlized crystal blue, peacock pearl. Y'all know I love this peacock pearl. I'm just gonna lay those out like I did with the last one and swipe over it with some white cell activators. So I have, since it's a little bit bigger canvas, I have a larger palette knife, a small palette knife, and then I always have my standard palette knives on deck. My little array of palette knives here. So I'll be able to choose from one of those if I want. I might use this one, and I will likely be wanting that one. So, all right. I have about 10 ounces of paint, which I don't think are going to be enough to get all the way around here. So, I also have some already pre-mixed. This is the same Violet, just some pre-mixed in a squeeze bottle to go around the edges to help everything scoot to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down a puddle of purple right here. I'll spread it out a little bit. That's pretty good. I'm gonna start with gold. Just lay a line of gold down. Oh. Okay, so gold, and then I'm gonna do vermilion. I really love this vermilion. I'm gonna do some blue next. This is crystal blue. I really like that crystal blue. Add a little extra. Torching as I go because I keep seeing air pop up. Turquoise, peacock pearl, A little more gold. Like how much of that was. And then for the finale, I love this green, so just want a little bit of it everywhere. Oh, I got a plug. Your paints will dry up inside the lid. If that ever happens, just get some tweezers or something. There we go. I'm getting paint everywhere. Okay, should be all right. Here we go. This green is for contrast, so I want a lot of that. I'm gonna add a little more vermilion here and in here. Right, I'm ready to swipe. I think I might want just a little bit more of the peacock pearl down here on the end. Yeah. Okay, ready to swipe. I'm gonna use, this is Amsterdam's titanium white with penetrol and my pouring medium. So it's mixed my pouring medium 3-to-1. Three parts my pouring medium to 1 part paint, and then I thin it out with water so that it has a thinner consistency. So I'm just gonna load up my palette knife and swipe across here. Okay. Just gonna go across the middle. Oh, nice. Yes. Yes, I like this a lot. I like that one for sure. I hope they're all that pretty. I think I want a bigger palette knife this time though. I'm gonna come across it this way. From here, across this side a little ways. Okay. Wow, that's so pretty. get this out to the edge. All right. Hey, which direction do I want to go first? This has a big bar underneath it, so I'm hoping I can use it. I love the lime green in the middle. And there's some green lacing right here over the purple that's beautiful. This is like pastel colored lacing with some peacock pearl in it. I'm gonna make some designs in it, but I love these colors together. They're beautiful. I will go over that corner right there with just violet.